Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do another spring shop with me video. I'm so excited to check out Kirkland's. They have a deal of the day that I went to snag, and then I'm also gonna go to TJ Maxx and see if they have any Rae Dunn pieces and just kind of look around and see what they have for spring and Easter. I'm going to be doing an entire spring series full of spring decorating, spring cleaning. We are gonna tackle it all and I'm so excited. So this is gonna kick off that entire series. So make sure to like this video and subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on a single video. Let's go ahead and get to shopping.
Alright, starting out at TJ Maxx, I ended up going right when they opened, so everything was pretty well stocked and it was so quiet and peaceful in there, so highly recommend going in the morning if you guys want some silence. But how pretty were these moss bunnies? I love those. Probably would take the raffia bow off of them, but I thought they were pretty cute. And TJ Maxx always has a really good assortment of wreaths, but you'll see later the Kirkland's deal of the day was such a steal. So every now and then you can catch Kirkland's wreaths on sale too for a really good price. But I thought this white one here was so pretty. They also have really good like flower bundles and different florals for a decent price. Those tulips were very real feeling, so I felt like $10 was a good price on them. But you can get different arrangements for a really good price at TJ Maxx and Home Goods as well. Okay, now I'm at Kirkland's and they're having a really good sale this weekend. They've got all kinds of farmhouse items and different table stuff for a really good price. I also love this kitchen sign. I'm debating on whether to go back and get it. And how pretty was this little tray? So cute. They also had lots of napkins, hand towels, and different floral arrangements. Their floral section for spring is so good, but I will say they're a little pricey. So definitely check out coupons and different things. But yeah, they've got a really good selection. And how cute was that plant lady sign? You guys will see that flower bar sign at the end of the video. I ended up picking that up. But I did get an arrangement from here last year for spring that I need to try to find. I'm pretty sure it had tulips in it, and I think it's out in the garage, so I need to go find that. But I love this flower cart, so pretty with all of the different flowers set up. And then there is that black scale I'm thinking about getting as well. I think it's very pretty, and it's on sale for $28 this weekend. Kirkland's had a small Easter selection, but what they did have I thought was pretty good. I love all of their banners. They always have a really good selection of those, and little bunnies. They have like really unique pieces. They always have these cute trucks, and I love their welcome mats as well. That first one was so cute, and that little carrot patch sign I loved as well.
Okay guys, I'm back home now and I wanted to share my first find. I'm gonna do like a mini haul, but this for Cynthia wreath is so big. I don't know if you guys can really tell. I'm gonna keep it inside until I do my outside decorations, but I did have a cotton wreath here and I just feel like this screams spring so much more. And I love it. So this is normally $50 from Kirkland's and I got it on sale for $25. So really good. It was half off for their like daily deal. Definitely check those out. But fun fact, I'll let you guys in on a little secret. My parents are moving and they have an old hutch that they no longer use. So I am going to be painting a hutch and I'm going to stick it right here in this area. So this entire setup is going to move into our foyer area. So I'm going to put this table and the shutters and window back over there, and I'm gonna leave like the Rae Dunn stuff over here and I'll put that on the hutch. So really excited. So it's gonna look a little bit different in here in just a little bit. So yeah, you guys stay tuned. I also went to Hobby Lobby to try to find like a different kind of more springy tablescape stuff, and I am having the hardest time coming up with something for my table. I don't know why, but I just really like the neutral stuff and I still like the buffalo check. So maybe, I don't know, you guys let me know what you think I should do. I really like very like light and neutral, and I even thought about just getting like a plain, I don't know, like white-ish one, like drop cloth, bleach drop cloth kind of look. But then I got to thinking, you know, my plates are white, my covers are white, so maybe I need a pop of something else, or maybe even a little bit more of the buffalo check. I don't know, you guys let me know what you think, but I'm so excited for the hutch in that space. But that is one item that I picked up from Kirkland's. And then over here, I actually have this all set up. And then I found a 2-pack of risers from TJ Maxx. There was 2 of these in a set and they were $14.99 for the 2 of them. So super good deal, $7.50 a piece, and I love it. So all the little knobs, and they're very like chippy. So really excited about that find. I've been DIYing my own risers, but I don't know how to exactly do the beads on the side, so I thought this was so cute. And of course I'm already using it. I couldn't wait to decorate for spring with it, but loving that. And then I'll show you guys one Rae Dunn piece that I got. Okay, and then I found this little sugar Rae Dunn canister with this cute little bunny topper. I did get the bunny treats canister with this like bigger topper on it, so I thought this would be so cute. Brooks just came in for a little snack. But this was $9.99, and they did have a ton of them, but I tell you what, ladies go in there and wipe it clean. So you gotta get it while it's good where I live. But I'll probably either put this on a little riser or my 3-tiered tray or something like that. But anyways, I'm really excited about this one. I think he's so cute. I think for my next spring related video, I'm going to do a haul of all of my spring decorations, like everything from past years and present. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that. But I've got a couple pieces right over here that I got the other day from TJ Maxx and Target in the dollar spot. Our Target is way behind on getting stuff in there for like their dollar spot stuff or even Easter / spring in general, so they don't have a ton out yet. I've got my eye on a couple more things, but I'll show you what I did pick up. So the first thing is this little watering can. It's actually for little kids. It was $3, and I thought this would be so cute for Brooks to use to help me water the plants that we'll be doing this spring. I always do a bunch of flowers outside, and I thought it would be fun for him to plant some of his own as well. And then if I wanted to use it as decor, I could just flip it around and have it as plain white. And then the next thing I found was this little bird feeder, but I'm probably not going to use it for a bird feeder, honestly. It was $5, and I've seen people put their essential oils down at the bottom, so I thought that would be kind of fun to do. So stay tuned to see what I do with that one. And then as far as Easter goes, I picked up these little wooden white eggs in this little brown paper crate. I thought that was so cute for $3. And then this is my favorite. How adorable is this little gardener's kit? It's got a nail brush and a hand towel. I've seen people say that they will use that little brush to clean off their potatoes and like root plants, or not plants, root vegetables. So I may or may not be planting anything like that, but I'm definitely going to be planting a few things in a garden this year, and I thought that this towel would just be cute in the kitchen on my little towel rack. like my little towel ladder. So love this, and it was only $3 as well. And then the last thing that I picked up was from TJ Maxx, and it's just this little tote bag. And it's just like a reusable tote you can take to Aldi or wherever you can use it. But I thought it was so pretty with all of the different things on it. Thyme, parsley, dill, rosemary, basil. I just thought that was adorable. Again, it was at TJ Maxx for $5.99, and I may even hang this in like on our hall tree to just like display. I think that's a really cute way to have it as well. And I can't remember if I shared this or not, but I did end up picking up this flower bar sign from Kirkland's. You guys seen it probably earlier in the clips. I just love it so much. And I got it on sale for $20.99. And I think it's even cheaper this weekend. So definitely snatch one of these if you like that. I also have tons of DIYs planned for my spring decor, especially like little pots and stuff from the Dollar Tree. So stay tuned for those videos. I really just wanted to do another shop with me. I wanted to go shopping too and kind of see what's out there. I've had a little bit of a hard time coming up with my vision for my spring decor, but I feel like now that I'm getting the hutch in and I'm gonna be doing something really fun on one of our walls. We still have to take Brooks's crib apart, but really excited for the videos to come. Okay, sorry, Taylor just called. He's off of work, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up and get it edited and put up for you guys so you guys can check out all of the sales that Kirkland has this weekend. I loved their stuff. I could have a heyday in Kirkland's if I didn't have a budget to work with. They just have the cutest stuff ever. So I still want to find some really cute tablescape items. So let me know if you guys see a cute runner or like different napkins and stuff. I'm really debating on getting one of those black scales. I showed it at the very end of the Kirkland's shopping, but I'll put a picture of it here. I really am debating on getting this one because this weekend Kirkland's is having 30% off, like I said, and it makes it only $28. And I feel like that's a really good deal for that like big statement piece. So I'm thinking about putting that on my kitchen my kitchen table and just having that like as a focal piece instead of like a plant, if that makes sense. So let me know what you guys think if you like those. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap today's video up here, but I hope you enjoyed seeing what TJ Maxx and Kirkland's has out for spring, and let me know what your favorite piece was down below in the comments. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week with more videos. Bye guys.